My leadership mantra would be empathy and honesty across the entire ecosystem at Astral, amongst our stakeholders as well as our employees.
Everything negative, pressure, challenges, failure is an opportunity for growth.
The qualities I've learned from my father are to continue innovating no matter how many times you fail, and trusting our employees and trusting the people who have faith in the brand as well as faith in management.
Be a good, simple human being. Take care of your team, help them in their growth and career path. And also, there are no shortcuts in business. You have to go in depth to understand the business and its dynamics.
My vision for Astral is to become a India leader in the building materials sector and to remain an innovative brand in the same.
Astral is going to be a one-stop solution for all building material industry. We are going to cater to the needs of the end customer by venturing into new avenues and expanding our portfolio.
Failures have taught me to rise again and to continue trying no matter what. Failures teach us a lot, and the more we fail, the more we learn, and more we learn, more we innovate and more we grow.
After we fail, we all have self-doubt, but we don't surrender to it, we embrace it and rise back up.
Sense of gratitude that we've been featured on this list, as well as an added sense of responsibility. The list being featured on the list comes with great responsibility, and we want to live up to this title, and we want to continue growing and innovating Astral and helping the business environment in India and contributing to the growth of India at large.
It is definitely an honor to be part of this list and would like to thank Forbes for the recognition.